Okay, Kaden. What does the cow say?
Moo.
Moo. What does the sheep say? What? Bah. What does the kitty say?
Meow.
What does the snake say? What does the doggy say?
Duck, duck.
No, doggy doesn't say dog, dog. Woof, woof. What does the monster say? What about the lion? What about the chicken? What? I can't hear you. Okay, can you count your fingers? One. Okay. Come here. Kid, stop hiding. I see. Don't pull that. No.
One down.
Okay. Sing. Come on, sing. Kaden! No more.